shadows fall on the prairie. Day is done and the sun is slowly fading out of sight. I can hear, oh so clear, a call that echoes in the night. Yes, I hear sweet and clear the call of the faraway hill. There's no rest on the prairie. There's no rest for a restless soul that just was born to roam. Who can say, maybe way out there my heart may find a home. And I hear sweet and clear the call of the faraway hill. There are trails I've never seen, and my dreams are a-getting lean, and beyond the sunset there are brand new thrills. When a new dream or two may be just one star away, I must obey the call of the faraway